Imagine stepping outside on a clear night and looking up to see massive shimmering rings arching across the sky. These aren't just streaks of light, but vast bands of ice and rock orbiting our planet, dazzling like a cosmic crown. Earth with rings like Saturn. How incredible would that be? But beyond the awe-inspiring beauty, what would it mean for life on Earth? How would these rings change the way we live, influence our environment, and even shape our history? In this video, we're diving into the science, speculation, and stunning possibilities of an Earth adorned with celestial rings. To understand how Earth could gain such rings, we need to explore their potential origins. Scientists suggest that planetary rings can form through catastrophic events, like an asteroid colliding with a moon, or the remnants of a shattered satellite. If Earth's gravity captured these fragments, they could settle into orbit, creating rings that mirror the majesty of Saturn's. Saturn's rings are composed primarily of ice, with traces of rocky material. If Earth had rings, their composition would depend on the source. A shattered moon might produce rocky rings, while ice fragments from a comet could create something closer to Saturn's brilliant display. While Saturn's rings are vast and thin, Earth's rings might look denser and more varied due to the planet's closer proximity to the Sun and different gravitational forces. From Earth's surface, the rings would offer a breathtaking spectacle, but the view would vary depending on your location. Near the equator, the rings would appear as a towering arch spanning the sky, while closer to the poles, they might look like a thin band on the horizon. Seasons would also play a role in this celestial display. Earth's axial tilt means the angle of the rings would change throughout the year, offering different views depending on the time of year and your latitude. During some seasons, the rings might cast shadows across the planet, creating twilight-like effects even during the day. At night, they would outshine the moon, illuminating the landscape with a ghostly glow. The presence of massive rings would undoubtedly influence Earth's climate and weather. The rings could cast shadows on certain regions, cooling them significantly while leaving others untouched. This uneven distribution of sunlight could alter global weather patterns, potentially leading to more extreme climates in some areas. Additionally, the rings' reflection of sunlight could slightly warm Earth as they bounce solar energy back to the surface. Atmospheric dynamics would shift as well, as changes in sunlight and temperature create new patterns in wind and ocean currents. While these changes could pose challenges for ecosystems, they might also open up new possibilities for scientific study and adaptation. Throughout human history, the night sky has inspired awe, curiosity, and creativity. If Earth had rings, they would have undoubtedly become a central feature in our myths, religions, and art. Ancient civilizations might have worshipped the rings as divine symbols or interpreted them as celestial messages. Imagine the intricate stories and legends that could arise, attributing the rings to gods, heroes, or cosmic battles. These majestic rings would have also shaped early scientific endeavors. Navigation, for instance, might have evolved differently. Sailors and explorers have long relied on the stars for direction, but a fixed visible feature like rings could have provided an additional guide, revolutionizing early travel. In architecture, the rings might have influenced designs, with temples, pyramids, and observatories aligned to honor their patterns and movements. Astronomy as we know it would also be vastly different. The rings would have posed challenges for early astronomers trying to understand celestial mechanics, but they might have also accelerated our curiosity about space. Would the rings have led to the invention of telescopes and a deeper understanding of our solar system earlier than in real history? In modern times, Earth's rings would present both challenges and opportunities for science and technology. For researchers, the rings would offer an unparalleled opportunity to study planetary dynamics up close. Each layer of the rings, from dense clusters of rock to icy particles, could provide valuable insights into the formation of celestial bodies. The rings might also hold untapped resources. Just as scientists dream of asteroid mining, Earth's rings could become a source of raw materials for space exploration, fueling future missions and technology. However, these rings would pose significant challenges for space travel. Satellites, for example, would need to navigate the debris fields, requiring more advanced shielding and precision in orbit calculations. Space agencies might even design new missions specifically to explore and monitor the rings, turning them into laboratories in orbit. From an outsider's perspective, Earth with rings would stand out dramatically in our solar system. While Saturn is famous for its rings, an Earth adorned with similar structures would elevate its beauty to another level. To alien civilizations observing us, Earth might appear as a world of harmony and elegance, a true gem of the cosmos. On a philosophical level, the rings might change how we see ourselves and our place in the universe. Just as the Apollo missions gave humanity a new perspective on Earth as a fragile blue marble, rings could inspire a deeper appreciation of our planet's uniqueness. They might remind us of the delicate balance of forces that shape our world and our responsibility to protect it. Would Earth's rings make us feel more connected to the cosmos, or more humbled by its vastness? That's a question worth pondering as we imagine this extraordinary possibility. Speculative scenarios. While the idea of Earth having rings is fascinating, it's worth exploring the potential long-term scenarios, both positive and negative. In the worst-case scenario, the rings could destabilize Earth's orbit over millions of years. The gravitational interactions between the rings and Earth, combined with the Sun and Moon's pull, might create unpredictable shifts in Earth's axis. This could lead to extreme climate changes affecting ecosystems and potentially threatening life. Additionally, debris from the rings might occasionally fall to Earth, posing risks to both natural environments and human infrastructure. On the other hand, the best-case scenario paints a much brighter picture. The rings could remain stable, providing aesthetic beauty and scientific opportunities without significant risks. They might inspire generations of scientists, artists, and explorers, offering endless opportunities for study and creativity. Humanity could even learn to harness the rings for resources, turning them into an integral part of our technological advancement. Imagine Earth as a shining beacon in the solar system, its rings symbolizing our planet's unique character and scientific progress. Earth with rings would be a world transformed. From mesmerizing night skies to profound changes in culture, science, and even the environment, the rings would redefine life as we know it. They might inspire awe and curiosity, challenge us with new scientific puzzles, and even reshape how we see ourselves in the vastness of space. But with great beauty comes great responsibility. Would the benefits of such a spectacle outweigh the risks, or would the rings become a reminder of nature's delicate balance? One thing is certain. This thought experiment offers a glimpse into how even small changes in the cosmos could have profound effects on our lives. Would rings make Earth more beautiful, or would their consequences outweigh their allure? That's the question we leave for you to ponder. What do you think? If Earth had rings, how do you think it would impact our lives and the planet as a whole? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective. If you enjoyed this exploration of Earth's possibilities, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more cosmic curiosity. And hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next video. Until then, keep looking up at the sky and imagining the wonders it holds.